WUSA 9.
And how can you be a fancy pants if you don't bring your dog with you? Well, this ban may not last forever. The city council is working on emergency legislation to address dogs on patios.
You know, it's been a week since Hurricane Irma hit Florida. A week. And look at this. A river north of Tampa is only now starting to crest, flooding some nearby homes that made it through the storm. Now, this road to recovery will be long for our friends in the Sunshine State. So we are teaming up with United Van Lines, Hildrip, Pilot Flying J, and you to send a tractor trailer filled with supplies to Jacksonville. We're collecting items like diapers and paper towels and garbage bags and more. It's a really long list. We've got it for you on our WUSA9.com/cares website. You can drop off those donations this Saturday at Prince George's Community College in Largo from 10 until 2.
So Maria is still out there after tearing through Puerto Rico, and where is she headed now?
Well, here's the deal. Right now, we think it's going to stay offshore, and it's going to just graze the DR and sort of graze the Turks and Caicos. But I do want to point out a couple of things. Let's go ahead. Each line represents a computer forecast. So you see pretty lines close together. That means they have confluence. They're all in agreement. But notice a couple of them try to bring this ashore, and then one brings it back out to sea. So on Monday, every line was east of the coast. And then yesterday, we had one outlier. Now we have two outliers. Or are those the outliers? Aha. So we got to watch this. Again, consensus is it's going to stay offshore, but it's certainly, we're going to watch it, and we're going to talk about Maria for the next 7 days. Okay, here are the futurecast wind gusts. So this is 11 o'clock tonight. Look at that. Puerto Rico still has a wind gust of 46 miles an hour. Now we'll move this by 6 a.m. The DR, maybe 29, 30 mile per hour winds, still 43 in Puerto Rico. And then the Turks and Caicos, 51 mile per hour wind. That's at 6 p.m. tomorrow night, and 55 in the DR, and maybe up to 76. I think they're going to have hurricane force winds in the Turks and Caicos, but the highest winds will still remain offshore. The 105 mile per hour winds remain offshore, and then it begins to pull away from the islands and from the Bahamas. So, all right, back to us. 3-degree guarantee. Hoping for a bullseye today. Close, close. Went 87 for a high, and it was 88. That's pretty toasty. Our average high, by the way, is 78. So we're going to go 86 tomorrow. Bring it down just 1 degree. Right now it's 75. Dew points are up there. A little muggy downtown anyway. Dew points in the low 70s. Winds a paltry south at 3. So bus stop temps 62 to 76. So pretty mild. Very warm tomorrow. It's our last full day of summer. Both Thursday and Friday, 84 to 88. Outdoor plans are safe through the weekend. You can like grill out this weekend. Pick a tee time, throw a dart, anytime is safe. And then fall arrives Friday at 4:02 with the autumnal equinox, equal day and equal night in both hemispheres. 6 a.m. in the morning, still 70 downtown, but in the 60s in the suburbs. Pretty nice start. 64 in Manassas, 67 in Bowie. By 8:30, 9 o'clock, we're still 66 in Gaithersburg, 69 in Bethesda. We're clear. Futurecast emphatic on bringing clouds back in. I think there'll be a few, but I don't think it's going to be this big a deal. By 6 p.m., we're 84. 80 in Gaithersburg, and then by about this time tomorrow night, we're still in the upper 70s downtown and low 70s in the burbs. So on the day planner, 70 to start, 74 by 9 o'clock, 81 by 11 o'clock, and then 85, I think with full sun still by 1 o'clock. Friday, warm again, 85. First full day of fall, going to feel like summer, 86 on Saturday for the Terps. So warm for the Terps, no doubt about that. In fact, we're looking at temperatures warm on Sunday. I know it's a night game, but temps are going to be in the 80s, though, I think, when this game starts. Ooh. And then maybe some showers Monday and Tuesday, and that could be actually from Maria. Okay.
That weather looks like real good on Sunday, and I mean, they're looking forward to this game on Sunday. That's all I'm going to put out there. The Skins are ready for the Raiders.
Are they practicing? They are practicing,
yes. Okay. They were on the field practicing. So. We have a preview as they prepare for the Raiders. Also, Kirk Cousins, the baby's not here yet, but he talks about how much he looks forward to being a dad.
WUSA 9 Special Assignment Unit.
They're investigating 8 cases of missing children.
Digs deeper into the stories that need real answers.
What did you see that still haunts you?
Special Assignment Unit, only on WUSA 9 News.
Wouldn't you like to be out on the rolling sea with only the sky above?
Hey, Grandpa. Hey, kid. Really good to see you.
You too. You told Grandma you were going fishing again?